Mr. Speaker, sir, investing in agriculture is critical to drive economic diversification, support our rural economy and livelihoods, and grow our exports and ensure food security. The Ministry for Agriculture, Waterways and Sugar Industry has provided a total funding of $221 million in this budget. Early this year, the Ministry of Sugar was merged with the Ministry of Agriculture to ensure holistic approach towards the development of the agricultural sector. The sugar industry has been on a decline, and given the economics of the industry and to protect the interests of the farmers and taxpayers, government will focus on industry diversification in the medium term. However, in the interim, the sugar industry will continue to support with funding support of around $96.3 million. Amidst the declining world sugar market prices, government will continue with a guaranteed price of $85 per ton for the 2026 season, with a forecast price of $57 per ton. $41.6 million is allocated in this budget to cater for around $28 per ton top-up payment. Additional support for the sector will continue with a budget of $30 million for the fertilizer and the weedicide subsidy, cotton subsidy, upgrade of cane access road, cane planting grant, farm mechanization, farm incentive program, and support for new farmers. Government has also been funding the repayment of the US $32.7 million taken by the Fiji Sugar Corporation in 2025 from Exim Bank of India. Government has allocated around $18 million in the new budget to cater for the prepayment. For the non-sugar agriculture, Mr. Speaker, sir, a funding of $102 million is provided. This will cater for crop and livestock research and extension services, farm mechanization, upgrade of farms, support towards increasing primary production of export commodities like yangona, dalo, ginger, spices, cocoa, and dairy. Mr. Speaker, sir, the coalition government introduced the fertilizer and weedicide subsidy for dalo, ginger, cassava, and vegetable. A sum of $3 million is provided in this budget, which will cater for additional crops such as yangona and turmeric. Mr. Speaker, sir, to incentivize landowners to continue making land available for agricultural purpose, government will continue to fund the Committee for Better Utilization of Land, which is called CBUL, with a total allocation of $6.9 million. A total of $2.5 million has been provided to the Agriculture Marketing Authority to increase market access for unreached and smallholder farmers, while support for institutions such as the Novuso Agriculture Technical Institute and the Tutu Training Center will continue with funding of $3.6 million in this budget. For the dredging of rivers and clearing of waterways, $16.2 million is provided in this budget.